Hey guys, are you preparing for IB ACIO examination? If your answer is yes, then do you know that the entire section of English of 20 to 25 questions can be solved under 10 minutes? Want to know how? See, the course is designed in such a way that it ensures that a student can solve questions with speed and accuracy. Special importance is given to tricks for memorizing one-word substitution questions, idioms, and vocabulary. 3 times the revision of entire syllabus is done to ensure your learning and practice is top-notch. Apart from this, live practice sessions are also included to test your knowledge, accuracy, and speed. So why wait? Crack IB ACIO examination this year with flying colors. Join today.